Hi everyone, I'm Sapna Menon, your image coach, and in this channel, we explore the power of self image on your professional success. Every January, most professionals set a goal, but by Feb, it's all fizzled off. Not because they did not want to be successful, not because they lacked discipline, but because somewhere they were not aligned with the self image first. So today we are going to align some actionable realistic goals that aligns with the leader, the professional that you are going to be. Let's not just set goals but make it more realistic and align to the person, the identity you really want to be. Align it with your self image. Let's be honest. Professionals don't fail because they set their goals very high. They fail because they are still operating from the old identity that is in the old level. You set a goal to lead a team, but still operate as an individual contributor. You want visibility, but still want people to notice you without you putting in too much of efforts. You want higher pay, but are still operating and not ready to ask for more. This is not because there is a lack of strategy. This is because somewhere you are operating from a wrong self image. You don't rise to a level of your goal, you rise to the level of your self image. So this year, don't ask what do I want to achieve. Think about who do I want to become so that achieving that goal becomes very natural. Do I look like the one I have achieved? Have I become and acting the way I have achieved? And is there a match between who I am and who I want to be? When there's a mismatch between both, the goals start feeling more heavy, more difficult, and very exhausting to be achieved. Here's your 3-layer goal setting system. The first one is your identity goal, and this is definitely non-negotiable. Before setting your professional goals, think about what is that identity that you want to imbibe this year. Think about how should I be seen by the end of the year, and also what are those behavioral traits or what are those leadership traits that I should imbibe to become that person. This is where you have a complete clarity on what is that identity goal that you are going to imbibe by the end of the year, and that becomes much more easy to achieve. So what is that one identity statement that you are going to have this year? Identity only becomes much more real through behavior. So you have to think, what is that one thing that my identity will be doing consistently? Is it like speaking up at meeting, or is it stop over explaining, or it could also be justifying too much for whatever decisions you're taking. Motivation comes and goes, but identity stays. Once you're done with your identity goal and your behavioral goal, now is the time you move towards the outcome goal. Think about what is the outcome you want to achieve by the end of the year. Promotion by third quarter, or is it strong visibility among the senior leadership? Be very clear when you are speaking about the outcome, and it needs to be very, very specific and realistic. These goals now feel more achievable because now you have already imbibed the identity and are living it through your behavior. Once you're done with your goal setting, here's a simple practice that you can always follow, which I recommend for most of my clients, to have a simple self-image weekly check. Once a week, ask yourself, did I show up as my upgraded self, or did I try to shrink myself in any place? Did I play safe? Because your brain will always pull you back to play safe. What is that one correction I need to do for the next week? These 3 questions will clarify whether you are in line with what you really want to be. Be very brutal and clear when you're doing this. It's about becoming someone to whom success comes very naturally. Your goals don't fail because you are inconsistent. Your goals fail because you have somewhere not upgraded your self-image yet. Subscribe for more powerful insight on self-image for professional success. Comment below on what is that one insight you want to follow for 2026. Do share it with your friend, whoever needs it. See you again next week, next video.